This is our Floral Feels and Blue Jean Feels collection.
Gentle Fawn, so much Gentle Fawn. The fabric is incredible. Love this strapless. It does have the really great sticky stuff. And I stuck with my typical size. I was not sure about that because it is so bodycon, but you know what? I feel really great in this, and I have my bra just tucked under, but I don't think that I would have to wear a bra with this.
This dress is so good.
It's such a good basic, holy cow. And the blue color, yes, like you could dress this all the way up, but I'm going to dress it down. Super cute, tying it up, super cute. And I just kept on these same little sandals the whole time.
Sandals, yes.
So I went ahead and just did that because why not? So here you go, super comfortable. I did the little pave, big silver hoops, not little big, and then I did the sandal or the heels that you were talking about, so comfortable, and there it is, kind of just a little more dressed up like that. The arm coverage is so perfect. It's a great just summer throw, so you could be like a little jacket, but look at the arm coverage there. Like, it's perfect. It does all the work for you to get that little like 3/4 sleeve, but also you can take it up over your elbow, give it a little more puffy feel. This can be left, this can be buttoned, this can be tied, but look how pretty that is, just so summery. With the matching shorts, it's not a set, they are separates, but the little like jogger,
track,
is this a jogger?
like little track.
Track, yes, that's what it is. But here you go, there's where the shirt hits. Here are the shorts. They do have pockets, track shorts like Lala just mentioned. We can dress, well, we can go here with that, of course. That's just always a yes. And don't forget, we have a little Mother's Day promo going on, and it might happen to include, but I'm gonna throw it on with this little heel and just dress it up a little bit. I should have grabbed a bag and a hat, but I didn't do that. But little raffia, all that good stuff that we have going on here. Here are the pants, yes to this. And I actually threw these little heels on because of course you're gonna be able to do a sneaker, of course a sandal, but I wanted to show you the unexpected. So dressing it up a little, like dazzling up your denim feels here. But look at that slit. I think that's such a unique slit. It's just a little higher than typical, but I love the flow of that. I'm in my true size in the pants. They're not high-waisted at all. I would even say they're a mid-rise for sure, yep. But you can just see how comfy this is. Here you go.
Oh, so cute.
The fabric of Gentle Fawn's basics is
that
incredible.
Sure
This is also a really cute layering, like it's cute over this little dress that I should have done. But here, we'll just throw this all back on, and so you can see the whole Gentle Fawn set, just easy, fun, and I threw on these shoes to go with. So we have the little skirt with the jogger underneath here. Is this the same as the charcoal that we have? Yes. Okay. So I did nab the charcoal color. I don't think I knew that this was right around the corner because I love, love, love this. The fabric is so good. Oh, love it. And I think this is just a little more unique, which I'm a fan of. So this is a little two-piece set, but also this is coming as well. So there's that. That's going to be super cute. It's meant to pull these. I'm also going to show you that. So there's 4 pieces in this fabric, and I'm in my true size here. I am in the extra small here as well, which I was not sure. I felt like it looked a little bit smaller through here, and it actually works just fine. So here are the pants with that side slit and the big band down the side. So I wanted to show you that here. Here is that 3/4 zip. What is it called?
Yeah, quarter zip,
Quarter zip?
quarter
Who
zip.
knows what it is? Okay,
Probably
here's
more
the
like a half
band
zip, but
right there. It's a little bit, I don't know, you can,
the girls were all trying this one on yesterday, and it was a yes
It's
for
a-
all of them.
and I love that it's gold here. I love, love, love that. But I'm gonna put this on with the skirt so you can see the band. I feel like the band is a little bit tighter than the Spanx.
Yeah.
Oh, it's an all the way. Oh, comfort. It's like a hug. Here you go. You just all 4 pieces. The price points are great, and you can mix and match. But there you go. So cute. It actually reminds me of like one of those one-piece dresses.
Yeah, it's so cute.
You're comfortable, and again,
And you're warm.
and you're warm. Yes, and again with the internal hug of the kangaroo pocket. I'm a big fan of that. Another daydreamer, Willie Nelson. This is the one size. I'm sorry, I cannot get away from the one size t-shirts. I wear them all the time. So decided to style this up a little bit differently because you really can do anything with these t-shirts. But I love the idea of these pants and that little shoe. And there you go, perfect little casual, summer, comfy, oversized look. Here we go. Perfect.
The girls
right
are drooling over this too.
Dead. So this is navy. You can see the terry business going on here. This is that,
I think this,
that's different.
this one, yeah, I was gonna say that's a little
reversed.
bit different. Mhm.
This is the terry, so you guys can see that going on. Here you go. Here's the set just with the tank top and the joggers. So then if I want to show my little messy, or the contrast of here, you got to do a little messy tuck, but here it is. And nice and stretchy. Oh, so good. I don't know if you can see just the richness. I can see it in the app, but not in the video, the richness of this just terry texture. This totally works together. This is we dropped this style in white and gray. No? Gray? Yeah. The gray was last time, but here you go. Love the arm here. Here's the length. So comfy, so soft, and this will go with these as well. It's not the exact same, but 100% do it anyway. I just wanted to throw these pants on with the little mommy lavender mommy daughter. Remember, it's reversible, so the other side says daughter, but blue here and blue, so I just thought that would be really cute. Okay, they're cute. Little, I don't know, just it says wellness club, out of office. They're very comfortable, very like loungy, and this is pretty cute too. So just a little bit tighter. I am in the extra small. I probably would size up. I love the arms and I love where it hits down here. I just would prefer it not to be as grabby on the chest right here.
Totally
so,
late 80s.
It's very cute.
Yeah, totally.
I probably would size up to the small in this one for the chest, but otherwise everything is very, very comfortable. This is Project Social, and I love this. I actually had it on. Oh, I love that so much. This is that
the same fit as that
peach
velvet
color.
Yes.
I love this. This is definitely something that I would put in my closet and know that I'm going to go to over and over and over again. Gorgeous over this. I'll have you show that. And then also love it here for sure. And I had it on with with the tank top too, and it was really cute. But I thought it was going to be confusing. So, but I love this. So good for a million things, and the quality is incredible.
If you have any questions about anything that we showed you today, please feel free to text us. It's 812-455-0201.